Hey, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you get super notified. So in this video we're going to be looking into the Gen AI Pro, if it actually worth it or not. So but then in this video I'm going to be honest with you. I've used Gen AI Pro and I see I have some credits in my account, so I'm going to be honest with you and sincere. Then by the end of this video I believe that you'll be able to make the right decision for yourself. So right now Gen AI Pro voiceover for 1 million credit is $22, and as at last year, which is last month, I'm making this video on the 30th of January 2025 2026, sorry. So, and as at December 2025, Gen AI Pro 1 million credit is around $9. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see here, Gen AI Pro 1 million credit is $9 as of December 2025. So, and you can see right now this $5 package, which is now $8, and then this 3 million is now, it's not even available on the platform, but then you can actually multiply it based on like buying 1 million credits multiplied by 3, that's 22 multiplied by 3, that's $66 thereabout, you know. So it's either you go for it now or later, but I'm going to show you another example. All right, so on 11 Labs, which is one among the best tools for voiceover. So I'm gonna scroll down, so you see, so this is pro features for $99 per month. So we're gonna see how many credits. So you can see right here, this is 500,000 credits. It's not even up to 1 million for $99, and Gen AI Pro is charging $22 for 1 million credits. And mind you, the same voice that you see on Gen AI Pro is what you see on 11 Labs. The same voice that is available on 11 Labs is what you're gonna see on Gen AI Pro. Just for example, if you have used 11 Labs before, so I'm gonna show you the inside of Gen AI Pro so you can see all the voices. And you can use the description, the link in the description to sign up on Gen AI Pro. You're gonna get 10,000 credits for free for you to test it out, so you can download the voice after generating as well, so just for you to see how realistic the voice is. And I've also made a full video review about Gen AI Pro. You can find the link in the top right, or you can check on the channel to find that particular full video. I think that's around 17 minutes thereabout. So because I went through details and make a full voice using Emery voice, which is United States, to generate the voice, and you're gonna see how realistic the voice is, right? So what I'm just trying to say is that when Gen AI Pro was around $9 for 1 million credits, I did not subscribe, but now I subscribe when they multiply the cost, which is $22. That's x2 and something like that. So before you know, the price might actually even go up more, who knows, because I noticed late December, right, they having a downtime, probably due to much customers are subscribers on the platform, so there's a delay on generating the voice, right? So I think that could be one of the reasons why they actually have to work on the price, change the price, so that they'll be able to serve users much more better. So now the voice generation is now more faster than before, right? So I'll advise you, if you subscribe now, you're gonna be able to get more of this price compared to maybe when they upgrade the price later on. And you can also test out with the $8 plan, which will give you 250,000 credits, and that's around 5 hours thereabout, right? So, or maybe less or maybe more. and the voice will last for 30 days. If you do not exhaust it, they're gonna pack it. They're gonna take it away from you. So it's best you know what you actually want to use the credit for before you purchase. And like I said, if you want to proceed and purchase the voiceover, you can use the link in the description to get a discount on the platform. And then that is it about the pricing. And I'm just trying to let you know is that get into it now before it's late, so you're not gonna regret like me for not subscribing when it's actually cheaper. So yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.